Lindy from the Swing Project, and in this video we're looking at variations for our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. We're going to try a challenging variation that takes the first step of our triple step and pushes it just before the beat. I like to think of it as a pushed triple step. Let's start by recapping our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork, starting on the right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, off we go. Step, step, triple, step, step with the counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The rhythm variation we're going to try now is a little tricky. We're going to focus it on the 7 and 8 where we'd normally triple step in our usual footwork. When we think of a triple step, we know that syncopated feeling of, think of it, 3 and 4, 7 and 8. This time though, we're going to try and take that first step of the triple step and push it just ahead of the beat. So instead of 7 and 8, we're going to go for 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 8. It's a little strange at first, but let's see it again. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 8. It's a little pushed. Let's clap it out. Now let's see if we can do it with our feet. Let's get up to beat 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, triple step, step. Our weight now is on our left foot. We're going to step onto our right foot, but rather than commit our weight 100%, we're going to take a little bit back from that so we can use it to spring off and spring back onto our left foot to hit that and before the 7. Let's see what I mean. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, triple, step, 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 and 8. Let's look again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, triple, 5, 6, and 8. Give it a try with me. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, triple, step, 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 and 8. Let's pop it in with our 8-count usual footwork and see how it looks. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, triple, step, 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 and 8. Step, step, triple, step, 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 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 8. Don't be put off if you find this a little tricky to get the hang of, as it's quite a challenging variation. Pop on a song and try it in your own time.